I once tried to build a machine using kitchen foil, Lego bricks, and a steel lunchbox lid, and accidentally blew the fuse off my house. That's when my mom said, "Beta, maybe science isn't for you." And I said, "No, Mom, maybe science hasn't seen what I can do yet." Today, thanks to Jigyasa, that same crazy idea not only worked, it worked, it won a national prize and got me into one of the top universities in the world. A very good afternoon to Honorable Minister of Science and Technology, Dr. Jitendra Singh Ji, all the directors, researchers, and scientists present here, and of course, all the school students present here. My name is Japtik Singh Bamra, and I am the creator of Solar Mech Engine. And here we go. It all began when I was selected for the CSR Jigyasa Epic Hackathon 2024. I had no funding, no team, but just a single wild idea. What if we could build an engine that ran purely on solar heat, not to replace existing systems, but to serve areas where there's no electricity at all? And for example, rural farms and cold storage units. That spark, that one spark that Jigyasa gave me changed everything. And that was the vision, and from the rough idea, I made a final product. I started experimenting in the lab I got allotted, which was CSI IIIM, and with the mentor's help, internet, AI models, a lot of research, and a lot of scientific expertise, invaluable mentorship from Dr. Nasir, and a lot of research again, we turned my idea into a real project. And that project was firstly like this, but it got turned into this. So my project was a two-part engine. The first is the main body of the engine, and the second thing is the parabolic dish. The parabolic dish collects the sun's heat, and the engine converts sun's heat into mechanical energy and heat energy, and of course, if we add a dynamo, it will be converted to electric energy. After that, here is the video of my project and the working. So as you can see, it is collecting sun's heat all live, and then it is converting it to mechanical energy. The best part comes after I won the Jigyasa Epic Hackathon program with the first place. And that moment wasn't just a win, it was validation. Suddenly, I wasn't the kid with an idea, I was an innovator. Backed by national institution, it gave me the confidence to keep improving the engine and to make it ready for real deployment. So basically, I did not stop working on the engine even after winning the hackathon. I participated in a startup event at Jammu, wherein I got valuable feedback for my engine, and I understood the potential shortcomings of my engine. After that, after I understood the shortcomings, I reinvested the amount provided by Jigyasa and Cipla back into my engine to solve the shortcomings and improve the performance. The best part comes after that, and that is that I won Honors Graduate Scholarship. So thanks to Jigyasa and thanks to all of the feedback I got, I submitted a new entry to an international scholarship and fellowship program. And from that, I was one of the top winners selected internationally, and I was the only Indian student who was selected after 2012. So thereon, now at this very point, my project was not a simple science fair project. This project had turned into an innovation. And I say that because I got a $10,000 scholarship from the organization and an additional $5,000 grant to support and scale my innovation. That's how we went further, and now this is one of the most important slides, how Jigyasa reshaped my future. When I started, I only had an idea, but right now I'm working on a real innovation. I'm solving real problems, and that have been all possible because of Jigyasa. Thanks to Jigyasa, now I have been admitted to Purdue University to study robotics engineering technology. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. But beyond college, Jigyasa gave me something very, very important. That was belief. Belief that innovation can start from anywhere, even a teenager's dirty desk in Punjab. So To end, I would end with the note that, so to every student sitting here, if you have an idea, no matter how small, no matter how silly, no matter how strange, give it a chance. Jigyasa gave me my chance, and maybe one day it will be your name on this stage and you'll be sharing your story. Thank you, CSR, thank you, Jigyasa, and thank you for all believing in student-led innovation. Thank you so much.